Are you looking for a healthy snack packed with lots of protein and good fat that will give you long-lasting energy?
Absolutely, that's what I'm looking for.
Well, perfect, because we've got 3 recipes for you today. Keep watching.
Welcome back to the Wellness Connection. I'm Dr. Mark LeMay.
And I'm Michelle LeMay.
And if you're new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel so you can get this content every single week. So this week, we're doing not 1, but 3 different hemp seed recipes, right, Michelle?
Right. These are no bake, so you don't have to worry about baking. They're raw, obviously, because they're not baked. Hemp protein energy. You can make these into bars, or you can roll them and make them into balls. Either way.
Yeah, and guess what? This is the benefits you're going to get from having hemp seed in your power balls. 3 tablespoons. Get this: 3 tablespoons has 15 grams of fat, 10 grams of protein, 2.6 grams of carbs, 1.3 grams of fiber, and that fiber is 20% soluble fiber and 80% insoluble fiber. And if you want to know more about fiber, check out my video. And then it has a lot of iron, zinc. It helps relieve constipation. That's really good. Decreases inflammation. It's better than flax or chia seed, which we both really like. So this is really nice. It has all of the 9 essential amino acids in it.
Wow.
It also has, it's very digestible for the digestive tract. And then it also helps with decreasing PMS symptoms. And it's also really good for building the immune system, your heart health, and increasing your immune system. I think I said that twice.
That's okay, because your immune system is important.
Yes, it's very important.
Right. Wow. That is pretty amazing for a teeny tiny little seed.
And I know some of you are probably thinking, it's like, wait a second, hemp seed, does that have any correlation to, THC, which is in marijuana? Well, again, that's a valid question, because they're both in the same family, but it has such a small, tiny amount of THC in it, you're not going to have to worry about it whatsoever. You're going to just get the health benefits, nothing else there.
So it's perfectly safe to eat these and drive, right?
Correct, it is. And you don't have to worry about getting pulled over and tested. You're not going to show up positive on that.
Okay, well, that's good to know. So are we ready to show them the 3 different recipes?
Let's show them.
All right, and then of course, we are going to come back at the end and taste test them for you.
That's my favorite part, taste testing.
Yep, all right, well, we'll see you in a little bit.
See you in a bit.
those are pretty quick and easy to make, weren't they?
They were super quick and easy to make.
Yes, I like those kind of recipes. So I also like being able to taste test them afterwards.
This is my favorite part.
Okay, so number one was the coconut granola bar. What do you think?
Wow, those are crunchy.
You could probably hear from on the microphone how crunchy these are.
Wow.
Oh my gosh, those are amazing.
You really could taste the nuttiness of these ones.
It's like super nutty but sweet. And only like 4 ingredients. Okay, so now we're ready for the chocolate one. And
Much darker.
Because of the chocolate. And they are made into bars, as you saw.
Now these were lighter. This one seems it's almost kind of more like a nut butter kind of taste to it.
Yes.
This is fruitier.
But it has a really good chocolate, of course, taste.
Move on to the next one here.
I finished mine.
I'm gonna have this next one because I already tried this one out. I suck at taste.
Yeah, so this is the mega seed and nut. You know, everything but the kitchen sink is in there.
This is my favorite right here. Now this one has got a lot of the hemp seeds in there too. This one's got a lot of hemp seed in it. But this is my favorite, followed by number 2, followed by the number 1 right here.
Wow.
This is really good.
Boy, I don't know. I'd almost go the other way, like 1, 2, and 3.
Well, you like more the peanut nut buttery kind of stuff.
Yes, and crunchy. I like that kind of crunchy stuff. So
I like softer texture.
They're all really, really good. And depending on how much nut butter or dates or honey or maple syrup or kind of that ratio you can play with to see if you like it squishier, if you like it firmer, or whatever. You can just play with those amounts and make it yours.
Yeah, and it's like the reason I think I like the last one the most is because it does have some dark chocolate chips in there, and it's 65% and above dark chocolate chips, really good. So
I didn't get one of those in my square.
Well, you just have to be able to cherry pick like I do. So, well, I hope you like this video. So click on the like button and also share this with someone that you know would benefit from this information.
Yeah, and then please subscribe. This way you can see our videos when they come out every week.
Yes. So that's it for this week. I hope you enjoyed your time with us on the Wellness Connection. I'm Dr. Mark LeMay.
I'm Michelle LeMay. Enjoy. I'm having this first one.
I'm going to have this guy again now. You can have that one. I'll take that one.